Welcome traders, it's Jacey with Empire Algorithmic Trading. Time for VWAP Vision Stock Talk, where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the market. So let's get right to it. Time for a little stock talk. Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's just Jacey this week, and what an ugly session it was. We're right back in the red zone. Very disappointing. I hate seeing getting whipped around like this, but it doesn't happen often. This is the shortest green zone we've had since 2023. So kind of a rare event, but we got to take it seriously. We'll see if the 20-day can hold, but for the most part, I'm just raising up the caution flags because a lot of my stops got hit today. I was getting alert after alert after alert, and I was just automatically raising cash. That's usually a warning sign right there. Nasdaq Composite down 1.5%. Pretty ugly look there. Big volume. I believe rising volume as well. Small caps, looks like they're finding resistance at the VWAP, which isn't good. Then what I also don't like about it is the lack of follow through from the attempted breakout. So we'll see if we can find any buyers here. And the mid caps were trying to push higher, but they closed right back below their VWAP. Not a very bullish looking candle there. A little bit of flight to quality look on the bonds. They actually traded up today, which is good. Well, just the fact that they traded up is good, I should say. And then the VIX was up, as you would expect, with the equity selling off hard. But yeah, it was an ugly day for breakout stocks. Of the 70 buy signals we've identified, going back a month over the past month, all but 2 sold off. And quite a few of them in pretty dramatic fashion. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. This one flashed a late stage breakout, which we talked about during Arrow review. This one broke down hard, down 3.5%. Astera Labs, again, down 8.2%, broke its 10-day moving average. Palantir down 9.3%, broke its 20-day moving average. And then Credo down 10.5%, broke its 20-day moving average as well. Pretty ugly looks across the board. The 2 stocks that we had rally today, we're just going to take a look at those. ALMU up 4.2% and Velocity up less than 1%. So ALMU just hopefully potentially finding some support. And then Velocity is actually holding up quite well, but I wouldn't get too excited, especially if the market continues to sell off. So moving forward, what we're doing, we're just following our sell rules. We're right back in the red zone. We got a little bit of a fake out breakout here. Maybe we get a fake out red zone. We'll see. But I always treat those with caution. Not every red zone turns into a significant correction, but every significant correction starts with a red zone. And like I always say, it's better to be out wishing you were in than in wishing you were out. So I'm always playing a little defensive there. So I would recommend doing the same. As always, whenever the indexes are starting to live below their VWAPs and leading stocks are breaking down like that, you need to respect that. So if it does turn around, there will be good setups. We were looking at a bunch of rotation on Sunday. Honestly, I'm pretty disappointed. I'm pretty surprised. I kind of anticipated we would see some buyers today. I didn't and think about the entire AI trade just melting down. So it'll be interesting to see what we get moving forward, especially from Jerome Powell on Friday. But there's a long ways between now and Friday. So in the meantime, everybody, just be cautious. And always, if you want to check us out, you can check us out at VWAPvision.com. And you can subscribe to our buy and sell signals, as well as some educational videos and Arrow reviews at patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And you can always check us out on our socials, and of course, like and subscribe and help us get up in the ratings. All right, thank you everybody. Happy trading, and follow the rules as always. All right, see you later.